Hello Capricorn, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star. So Capricorn, this is your reading for the month of March 2021. This is a general reading, Capricorn. Okay, so please take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. Okay, this may not resonate with every single person who is watching this video. Also Capricorn, I would request you to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also comment down below. Also I would request you to hit on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Okay, all right. Let me explain you the format, Capricorn. I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you're dealing with, you're thinking about. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay? Alright. Thereafter, we'll pull some cards from another deck and they will represent the general messages. They will represent the non-love messages for you and your person. Later on, we'll pull some oracle cards and they will be the messages from higher powers. They will be the messages from the universe. Okay, at the end we'll pull one single card and that will be the likely conclusion for the given situation. Okay, all right Capricorn, let's get started. Cards are getting out of my shuffling very. Right. Three of Swords for you. Seven of Wands. I'm getting Seven of Wands so much off late. Seven of Wands, a Five of Wands, Three of Pentacles. For your person, Knight of Pentacles, Six of Swords, the World. Okay, mutual energy is the Star, King of Swords. Okay, all right. So if we have to talk about the zodiac signs, you may be dealing with an Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio, Taurus. Okay, strong Aquarius energy, strong air sign energy as well, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You may be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You may be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, right, but I see a very strong presence of air sign. Three of Swords, Seven of Wands and Three of Pentacles. Again, number 3 may be important over here. You may be seeing a lot of 333. Okay, so you have become a bit vulnerable right now, Capricorn. You are a bit vulnerable. You are in a state of mind where you don't want to listen to anybody. You are like, everyone is coming in my life to take undue advantage of me. Everyone is coming, trying to enter in my life to treat me bad. Okay, to treat me like a shit and throw their BS around me. Okay, you're a bit tired of continuous heartbreaks. Okay, and what I'm getting over here is you're not allowing yourself to heal from your past wounds. Okay, and probably there was a time where you were a bit naive, you were a bit immature, where you accepted any Tom, Dick and Harry in your life. Okay, and these people kind of literally ripped you apart of emotionally it was a total mess and chaotic situation, and now you are so angry you are not allowing anyone to come near to you. You are not allowing, you have restricted the number of people in your life. You have stopped socialization, because it's like, no, it's not, I don't want to sound negative. What I'm trying to say is you are tired. Okay, so there is a kind of a protective gear, protective cocoon that you have formed around you, a protective sphere that you have formed around you, and you are like, in this world, in this sphere, okay, who can reside? Only me can reside, only I can stay. Okay, and whosoever tries to trespass that sphere, protective sphere of yours, okay, this person is getting a good piece of your mind. Okay, and what I'm getting message over here is, don't isolate yourself just because you don't want to deal with people. Don't isolate yourself just because you are tired of wrong people. Okay, in fact, isolation is good at times, and when you're trying to heal, when you don't want toxicity, yes, it is good. Okay, but too much of isolation can also be you know it becomes a devil's mind for no reasons. Okay, because then it's only you, it's you and your world and your thoughts. Okay, and flow of thoughts has no restriction. You cannot restrict the thoughts. Okay, you can sit in that sphere, protective sphere. Okay, you can avoid anybody's physical presence in your life, but what about the thoughts? Okay, they will keep on coming in your head space. They will keep on attacking your mind if you isolate yourself for too long. Okay, this is what I'm talking when, if you isolate yourself for too long. With the Three of Pentacles, I'm getting a message, Capricorn, that get out, step out, start interacting with people. You don't have to interact with any Tom, Dick and Harry. Okay, whatever experiences you have been through so far or by now, you are able to, or you will be able to judge the person who is right for you, whom you should entertain, whom you should not entertain. Okay, so no one can force you to interact with them. Okay, if you think that a person in front of you doesn't have good vibes, you can cut them off. Okay, but you don't have to cut off every single person. It may happen that because of this energy that you are in, you may cut out some good people from your life just because you want to be defensive, just because you are thinking that every single person is entering in my life because they have some malicious intentions. Okay, do not generalize everything. Do not make a universal rule for every single person. Okay, do not make it universal. That's what I'm trying to say. Your person hurt you a lot, and they have realized that they hurt you a lot. Okay, they want to come towards you, Capricorn. They want to come towards you. They want to apologize, and they know, probably energetically, they are sensing your state of mind. Okay, you people may be having a strong connection, and you have become like a sponge, Capricorn. You are absorbing energies very fast. Okay, you need to do some meditation, Capricorn. That's what I'm getting over here. Do some meditation. Your chakras are blocked. Okay, you need to unblock those chakras. Start doing meditation and take bath regularly. Every single day, go for a bath. If possible, go for 2 times in a day. Take bath 2 times in a day. Bath is the best way to heal yourself. Okay, bath helps in cleansing the energy. Bath helps in taking away the tiredness from you. Okay, your person is coming back. In fact, they will not just come back, but they will also make a proposal to do something with you. They want to spend time with you, and they are coming back because, and they want to spend this time with you because they want to ensure that you are doing good. Okay, so every time they think that you are becoming too anxious, you are becoming too angry, or you have become temperamental. This person wants to be there for you. Okay, they know that they have hurt you bad, and this is not what they wanted to do. Okay, their energy is Knight of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the World. Yes, very strong energy of comeback, and very strong energy of highly determined and coming back. Okay, but at the same time, I'm feeling that if this person has to come towards you, it's not going to be easy journey. They will have to give up something or someone before they come towards you, Capricorn. They will have to close certain cycles. They will have to leave something or someone, especially with that Six of Swords and with the World card. They will have to close certain cycles. They will have to leave someone or something, and then they can come towards you. They are coming towards you in a slow and a steady manner. They are coming towards you. Mutual energy is that of a Star, King of Swords. Both of you are very passionate about one another, okay, but things went wrong because of excessive passion. Okay, there was a potential and there is still potential for growth in this relationship, but it was all about sex initially, or it was all about infatuation initially. The love was realized only after separation. Let's see what are the general messages. Let's see what are the general messages for you and your person, Capricorn. What are the general messages for you and your person? What are the general messages for you and your person, Capricorn? What are the general messages for you and your person? High Priestess for you. Eight of Wands. Queen of Pentacles. For your person is Eight of Cups. Number 8 is again of some importance. The World again for this person. Oh my god. 8 of Cups, 6 of Swords, King of Pentacles. Wow. This person is definitely leaving someone. We have 2 cards which represents walking away from something, and we have 2 World cards which represents closing down the cycles. This person is definitely leaving something, somebody. Okay, this person is leaving somebody and they are coming towards you. They are waiting for the right opportunity to come towards you. They want to make things right, and they are very sorry about what happened between both of you. They are very sorry because they have hurt you, and they are coming back because not just they love you, but they know that they are not like this, and this is whatever they have done to you is not right. So they know that they are under obligation to come towards you and make things right and give you everything what you deserve. High Priestess, 8 of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. Oh my god, we have King of Pentacles and we have Queen of Pentacles. You people may be twin flames. You people had a very strong connection, okay? And also I'm getting that some of you Capricorns, you people are taking up something, education, or you want to become something, you want to do something in occult science, or something related to your own psychic ability, or you have realized only after this connection that you can realize people very fast and very soon. Something this person has triggered inside you, something this relationship has triggered inside you, which is taking you towards this, which is taking you towards your financial abundance. Some great news is coming towards you. Okay, some very good news is coming towards you. Be ready for that. Okay, I see in near future lot of financial abundance is coming towards you. Okay, and once you start attracting that positive energy, this person will very soon land up in your life. Let's see what are the messages from the higher powers. What are the messages from the higher powers? 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 door to personal healing and happiness. So you're going to move from this situation, from financial constraints to healing and happiness situation. There is a transition that's happening from this situation to this situation. So if you were feeling restricted, if you if you had to think every time before spending your money, this situation is changing. Okay, you're opening your doors for healing and happiness. I told you, right? Probably in your life it happened like Capricorn, you didn't allow yourself to heal before you could enter into a next relationship. So you kept on entering into the next relationships before healing yourself. I see that there was a very less amount of gap, or there was no gap at all between your two relationships, whichever relationships it may have happened. Okay, or if that's not the case, then there are some serious childhood issues that you have carried forward in your life. Okay, so let's see what is the oh no, we still have the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe for Capricorn? What are the messages from the universe for Capricorn? What are the messages from universe for Capricorn? What are the messages from universe for Capricorn? What are the messages from universe for Capricorn? Love doesn't have to mean near. You're missing this person. You don't like Capricorn. You are missing your person, okay? You will be surprised. Surprises are coming your way. Create space for the new love. Some of you want new love, and someone new is coming. This may also be a new love. Someone new is coming to heal you. Okay? Hubba hubba. Someone is going to gaze in your eyes very intensely. Whosoever is coming back to you, either your past person or either a new person. Okay, this person is going to look intensely in your eyes, and they're going to be like, you're mine and I'm yours. You have what it takes. Don't doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself. Okay, love is the reason for whatever is happening in your life. Whatsoever is happening in your life, love is the reason for that. See me in their eyes. If someone looks in your person's eyes, they will find you in their eyes. This person, you are the apple of their eye. Okay, you have got time. You have got a lot of time. You need to utilize that productively, Capricorn. Okay, you can do something else. You are if you work hard, this is where you're going to reach. Okay, for financial abundance, financial independence, materialistic abundance. I see some of you are going to purchase a home or a car in year 2021. Okay, so what is this? Ooh, Knight of Pentacles again. Slow and steady wins the race. Someone is coming towards you with a stable offer, and it's not just that. Okay, this person is going to bring their luck along with themselves, and whosoever is coming towards you, this person is good financially. This person is wealthy, good to do with money. Okay, all right, Capricorn, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye.